The P0442 code indicates a small leak in your vehicle's evaporative emission control system. This system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere, reducing harmful emissions. A small leak means the system isn't sealed properly and the car's computer has detected a pressure drop. The leak size is typically around 0.02 inches. Several issues can trigger a P0442 code. The most frequent cause is a loose or damaged gas cap. Other potential causes include cracked or damaged vapor lines and hoses. A faulty purge or vent valve can also trigger the code. Leaks in the charcoal canister or fuel tank are possible causes. Less common causes include wiring issues or a malfunctioning PCM. The most common symptom of a P0442 code is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. You might also notice a fuel odor or a slightly rough idle, but often there are no noticeable drivability issues. Note that a P0442 code doesn't directly affect vehicle safety, but it can cause you to fail an emissions test. Before diving into more complex diagnostics, start with the gas cap. Remove it, inspect the seal for cracks or damage, and ensure it's properly tightened. A loose or faulty gas cap is the most common reason for a P0442 code. Clear the code with an OBD2 scanner after tightening or replacing the gas cap to see if it returns. If the gas cap isn't the issue, a smoke test is the next step. This involves using a smoke machine to introduce safe smoke into the EVAP system. The smoke will escape from any leaks, making them visible. This is a crucial step to pinpoint the exact location of the leak, especially for smaller cracks in hoses or connections. The smoke machine is a specialized tool that generates safe, non-toxic smoke specifically designed for automotive diagnostics. It connects to the EVAP system to pressurize it with smoke. Following a structured procedure ensures accurate results. The flowchart outlines the key steps: setting up the environment, introducing smoke, monitoring for escape points, and identifying leak locations. The smoke enters through the system's access points, such as the fuel tank or canister connections. Any breach in the sealed system allows smoke to escape, revealing the leak's exact location for targeted repair. Smoke testing is typically done with the vehicle's hood open and the system properly connected. The visible smoke escaping highlights even tiny leaks that would be missed otherwise. Once you've identified the source of the leak through inspection or smoke testing, the next step is to replace the damaged component. The gas cap is the simplest fix. Replace it if it's loose or damaged. This resolves the issue in about 30 to 40% of cases. Faulty purge or vent valves can also cause the code. Replace them if they're stuck or malfunctioning, accounting for 15 to 20% of cases. Use quality replacement parts, preferably OEM components, to avoid recurring leaks and maintain emissions standards. After the repair, clear the diagnostic code using an OBD scanner. Then monitor the vehicle for 1 to 2 weeks to confirm the issue is resolved. To prevent P0442 codes, regularly check your gas cap for proper sealing. Loose or damaged caps cause 30 to 40% of these issues. Inspect for cracks or wear and ensure it clicks securely when tightened. This simple step can prevent 70% of cases, according to automotive experts. Consider using fuel additives that condition rubber seals in the EVAP system. Products like Reseal help maintain flexibility and prevent leaks. These can extend component life and are eco-friendly options under 2025 sustainability standards. As vehicles electrify, EVAP systems become less common in new cars. Electric vehicles lack these systems entirely, reducing future P0442 occurrences. By 2030, EVs may dominate 60% of new sales, decreasing repair demand for new vehicles. However, repair demand persists for the 200+ million older internal combustion engine vehicles on roads. Stay updated on diagnostic tools like smoke leak detectors and AI-driven scanners. Modern techniques, such as IoT-connected sensors, can predict issues and reduce manual repairs by 20%. Regular maintenance and awareness of vehicle trends will help efficiently address EVAP system issues, ensuring compliance with emission standards and reducing environmental impact.